So students, in this video we will be studying about online trading. Okay. So before the arrival or the existence of internet, the trading used to carried by brokers, means they used to buy or sell the shares or equities on behalf of the client. This is also called as offline, because before the online before the trading was done through offline, means offline used to done they used to done by brokers. But in today's generations, both online and offline share trading is common. But what happens in today's generation, offline has taken back backstage for a number of various reasons. Because nowadays most of the people are doing trading through online only. While when we do online trading, a trader can trade without the assistance of broker. Means when we do online trading, there is no need of any assistance or help from the broker. We only can do online trading through the various networks. But when we do offline trading, compulsory a broker is required in offline trading. Nowadays what happens, most of the people people are doing online trading. Means why they are doing online trading, means because it reduces the time or it reduces the cost. So this was the background of online trading. So we'll study detail what is online trading. Okay. So here introduction first, it says online trading in securities refers to the facility of investors being able to place his own orders using the internet platforms offered by the trading or members with the brokers. Means online trading, it's refers that where we can do our securities, where we can able to place or we can buy our own shares with the help of internet platforms. Means the orders so placed by the investors using internet would be routed through the trading members. Means this online trading we can use through various internet. And also nowadays online trading has become continuously growing and it has become a huge market. Means online trading, what happens in India, was started in the 20th century, that is called in February 2000s, where a couple of brokers started offering online trading platform from their customers. This was the introduction. In India it was started when, means in February 2000s. Like online trading, we have companies, like example, like we have sharekhan.com, we have like also we have ICICI Direct, we have Kotak Securities, Motilal Oswal, and Reliance Money. These are the various example of online trading. This was the introduction. Next comes meaning. It means the methods of trading in securities whereby the information about securities, brokers, dealers, price, etc. are communicated through official websites of concerned stock exchange so as to facilitate buying and selling of securities is known as online trading. Means it says that method of trading means buying and selling of securities where we can get this information about the securities of brokers, dealers, what price we wish to buy and what price we wish to sell of securities. We get this through various websites. As I told, examples like sharekhan.com, ICICI Direct, Kotak, Kotak Securities. These are the various facilitated through which we can buy and sell our securities. That is called as online trading. This was the meaning. Next comes, what are the various advantages of online trading? These are the various advantages. First comes lower price. Means automatically when we do through online trading, means our cost of fee will be reduced, and this is one of the clearest or the best advantage of online trading. Means it reduce the transaction of cost, also high fees will be reduced. Here what happens, typically you will pay between, like example, $5 or $10 to buy and sell stock exchange traded funds at online discounted brokerage. This is the lowest fees, means where you can easily uh, reduce our cost of buying and selling of securities. In this, typically we can pay like US dollar, like $5 or $10 to buy and sell our securities in stock exchange. Next comes more control and flexibility, means this is often of the essence, means when you trade in the stocks, means automatically the speed of using online trading portal is benefited to many investors. With online trading also you can execute a trade almost immediately. This is the more control and flexibility, means easily through online we can execute a trade through immediately. Next comes ability to avoid brokerage bias, means once if you do in online trading, means we can avoid the brokerage price, means by taking trading into your own hands. Means when you do online trading, means we trade with our own hands, you can eliminate brokerage bias. Means a bias sometimes occurs when brokers gives you financial advice that benefits to the broker, such as in the form of, we can call as commissions, like for selling specific mutual funds and other products. This would be kind of like we call as base biased advice, can be troublesome for any investors and might also lead to investment decisions that are good for the broker, but it will bad for you. Next comes uh, access to online tools, means in this world of online trading, automatically a lower cost does not necessarily means a shoddy product. Many of today's online trading companies offer customers and impressive suite of tools to help to optimize our trades. For example, site such as Trade King. Here what happens, it interactive with a broker and modify a robust selection of tools, like each which is designed to give customers access, like informations about the brokers, and what is the investment performance charts. It will give various access online tools to the customers, which is helpful for the customers. Next comes option to monitor invest in real time. Okay, next last advantage is option to monitor investment in real time. Here what happens, many online trading sites, like they offer stock codes and trade informations that automatically make it easy for the people to see how their investments are doing in present and real time. Okay, see companies such as there is a company such as called Scott. There is a company called Scott Trade. Means there is a company called like Scott Trade and Trade King. For example, they offer customers like access to streaming the data. Means here in this what happens, you get the real time quote, like stock market news and more. What happens, for some time traders, this one storm means at a glance they become convenience picking up the phones and continuously calling to a live broker, like turning into the televisions, or even going to the different website to get market informations. Next comes disadvantages of online trading. Here what happens, easier to invest too much, means here what happens, because of online trading it is so easy, means yeah, but basically you can push a button, there is a risk of making poor investment, means poor investment choices. Means because of online trading what happens, it is so easy, means basically will push a button, there is a risk of making lack of poor investment choices. Means the securities and exchange commissions What happens, they want investors that although it takes a just non second to make a trade, but real investment decisions require time. Means investors who are not used to fast moving markets can get caught up in the excitement. Before they know what hit them, they can end up with a losing of lot of money in the securities through online. Okay, next comes no personal relationship with broker. Means see, this is a first disadvantage. Second disadvantage is no personal relationship with broker. By large online traders are their own. They don't have a broker to help them navigate the uncertain waters of the stock market. Means once if you do a online market, means there will be no relationship between the brokers. For getting help on how to create an investment strategy, here what happens, to understand how the results of feedback mechanism affects the market, online traders are left to their own device. For some, this kind of automotive autonomy can be unsettling. Means it says that no personal relationship, means once if you do a online trading, means there will no relationship with the brokers unnecessary. Through no idea we can invest in the online market. Next comes addictive nature. Addictive nature means trading stocks sometimes can be a gambling for some people. Addictive means some people will continuously, it will become habit for them. If the trading stock, means it can become gambling for some people. Means the trader speculates on the result of something, such as a company performs and then bets money that speculations will be effect. Online traders can experience like a certain high, means when trading, that is similar to what people experience when gambling. According to a recent study on exclusive trading published in the journal Addictive Behaviors, means the most disadvantages, means certain peoples will become more addictive in the stock markets, that affects their life. Next comes internet dependent. Means the nature of online trading means that ultimately that you are the mercy of your internet connections. If the internet connection is too slow or it is interpreted, means you can lose out and potentially important or your trade. These are the disadvantages